Aloha and welcome. Today we're going to be talking about setting up an AWS free tier account. So in order to do that, I want you to go ahead and pull up a browser and type in AWS free tier and go, and we'll find the get a free tier account. So I want you to go in here. We're going to click on create a free account. And when you go into here, it's going to ask you for a root user email address and AWS account name. So to do this, you can set up using your Hawaii EDU account if you want. One other thing that you can do if you don't want to really burn that one yet, because AWS free tier is going to give you 1 year of a lot of free services. You may not have an idea of what you want to do for these things for now. So maybe you really don't want to use up your real email address to do this. So if you've got a Gmail address, one of the cool things about it is you can create an unlimited number of addresses to use on this to get free tiers. And the way you do that is if let's say John Johnson is your Gmail email address, you'd say johnjohnson@gmail.com normally. But if you want to, let's say, have a burner one for, let's say, project, we'll call it Project One. You can create John Johnson plus Project One at gmail.com. That plus and after is ignored. It'll still route to you. All those emails will route to you, but it allows you to receive an email to it without worrying about whether well, you can receive an email to it and it helps you sort things out in Gmail. But the nice thing is in AWS, each one of those is going to be treated as a unique address. So you can have essentially an infinite number of free accounts here. So go ahead and use your Gmail if you want to. I'm going to use my Hawaii EDU one here. So for that, I'm going to type in jsj3@hawaii.edu. And then for account name, I'm just going to call it I'm going to call it ITS381IOT. And I'm going to hit the verify email address, and it's going to go ahead and it's going to send me an email. And that'll take just a couple of seconds. So when you get that email, you're going to have a verification code in it, and you just type in that verification code, hit verify, and it says it's you. Yay, great. So your password provides you with sign-in access to AWS, so it's important to get it right. So you're going to need to type it in and then confirm it. So let's see. Oh, we've got our rules here. So you have to have a minimum of 3 of the following mix of character types: uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and exclamation at, and everything else. So I'm going to go ahead and let's see. Oh, it didn't hit my uppercase. Okay, that did it. And let's see. All right, yay. So I got that. I'm going to have to make a note of this somewhere. So yeah, don't forget that later. So write this down. Then we're going to continue steps 1 to 5. Wow, really? This password is publicly known through a data set leaked from a third party. Please try a different password. What's very interesting about that is I have never used that password before, and that is hilarious. My password was, this is a password, 1 exclamation mark. So somebody somewhere used that. So let's go ahead and come up with something else for now. What should I put in here? Let me think of something clever here. Okay. Now I've got to write that down. Okay, hopefully this works. Yay, all right. So how do you plan to use this? So this is going to be personal for our own projects, business for your work, school, or organization. Just going to put personal. Who should we contact about this account? So I'm going to put in my name here, John Johnson. My phone number is none of their business. Hopefully it won't ask me for that or won't insist on it. My address. Let's just say I'm going to type all this stuff in offline. And yeah, let's see about this. A little bit of personal information. I don't know how to block that out curiously here. So hold on just a second while I do this with the magic of the internet and video magic. Oops.